Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. How are you all? I think you all are well. So in previous class we covered our present tense. Now today's class we will learn past tense, and in past tense we will learn simple past. In past tense there are also four parts, like in present tense, simple past, past continuous, past perfect continuous. So first we will take simple past, then we will move past continuous. So in simple past there is also four parts: simple, negative, interrogative, interrogative, negative. So this is a formula structure to making sentences. First of all we will take simple subject, verb second form and object. In past simple in simple there is no any helping verb in simple sentence with only verb second form, subject and object. So this is an example of a simple sentence. He went to the school. He is our subject, and went is second form of go. Go went and to the school. That is our object. So he went to the school. So that is our simple. In negative only here did will come, subject plus did plus not per first form plus object. And here in past simple past did which use he, she, it any name of person, I, we, you, they, means did use with all subjects. So here we use he did not go to the school, means in negative verb first form, in positive verb second form. Means in simple sentence we will use verb second form, in negative sentences we will use verb first form. So there is an example: he did not go to school. वह स्कूल नहीं जाता था. So now we will take interrogative sentence. No, so look, that is our interrogative in first did will come, did is there, then subject he, then verb first form go, then our object. So did he go to the school? क्या वह स्कूल जाता था? So in simply in interrogative negative did plus subject not verb first form, then our object. Did he not go to school? क्या वह स्कूल नहीं जाता था? Helping verb, subject, not verb first form, then our object. So I think that is our very easy topic in past tense. Simple past is very easy. Only difference in simple we will use verb second form, no any helping verb, and in negative interrogative negative with did is our helping verb and with verb first form. Okay, so in next class we will learn past continuous. So I think you like my channel, so I on that you also share your friend, then your friends and can learn tense also. After tense we will cover another topic that helps us to speak in English. First of all, for speaking English we need to learn tense, because in tense we know how to make sentences. So here we know by to making sentence. So thank you so much to my see my video and subscribe my channel. Okay, see you again. See you soon. Okay, bye bye.